next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. Another day, another intense matchup. At ngayong hapon nga po, it will be the ACLC Hawks versus the Annunciation Panthers for our juniors basketball quarterfinal run. And of course, makakasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Canzo-Reyes and with me is Jasper Abante.
Ayan na nga din at we're still on the quarterfinals knockout match and this time in the juniors division, magtatapatan nito ang ating ACLC Hawks and also the Annunciation Panthers. Now, it's still win or go home for both of these teams, and waiting on the line for the semifinals is the ACC Green Serpents and the UNC Grants. Well, nanalo lang nga kahapon din yung ACC Green Serpents courtesy of Junmar Madrona, yung ating best player last game, and they are waiting kung sino man yung mananalo dito sa dalawang teams na ito. And we'll be hearing an updates later from our courtside reporters kung ano yung mga dapat nating abangan from their teams. Most especially, may mga makakasama sila on the court side para bigyan tayo ng brief discussion or para i-discuss sa atin briefly yung kanilang naging preparation for Bucal Season 6 quarterfinals. So, especially, it's win or go home. Kailangan ng isa sa kanila ang mag-move on and isa naman sa kanila is yun na nga, hindi na magpapatuloy for our Bucal Season 6. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Zai, on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Zai, anong update natin dyan?
Maraming salamat din, Jasper. And a bright afternoon sa inyo dalawa and to our viewers here on Bucal's Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga. Ngayon nga, it's a bit chilly outside as we approach the Christmas season and as we mark the first week of December. Today, we have a really thrilling match. Kaya naman, let's try and interview the coach of the ACLC Hawks. We have here Coach Paul Deswanco. Coach, magandang hapon. Kamusta naman ang nararamdaman mo now that you are approaching the final?
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Masaya and excited for this quarterfinals. Nag-level up naman yung game namin and at the same time yung chemistry namin. So we are looking forward na makuha namin tong quarterfinals namin against Annunciation.
Okay, thank you so much, Coach. So, Coach, based on your last battle, medyo nawalan tayo ng kumpiyansa, medyo natalo tayo, ano? So, ano ba yung nangyari? Sa tingin mo, ano yung lack of improvements? Or saan ba tayo nagkamali during our last game?
Yes, I think the main factor when we lose the game against ACC is yung bumagyo, di ba? Yung Christine, so halos 3 weeks kami hindi nakapag-ensayo. And at the same time, yung mga players namin from different area din dito sa Camsur. So binaha and yung tatlo sa mga key players namin talagang they need to rest kasi may nararamdaman sila. But for now, I think 100% na sila maglaro.
Okay, so Coach, ano ba ang dapat namin i-expect during this game from the ACLC Hawks?
I think the community of ACLC and at the same time yung mga manonood is yung consistency ng defense namin. Yun naman yung bread and butter namin eh. That's why we always win because of our consistency sa depensa namin. Yung offense namin, dumarating na lang din naman. If play good defense, lalo na pag backcourt pressure namin.
Maraming salamat, Coach. And there you have it, everyone. We have Coach Paul Deswanco. The ACL Seahawks just showed kung gaano sila ka-resilient despite the challenges that they encountered after the Typhoon Christine. Kaya naman, that's all the updates I have from now from the ACL Seahawks. This is Shulamor Zaiminyano from Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Tin.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, grabe yung paghahanda ngayon ng ating ACL Seahawks dahil kakatapos pa lang nila na doon sa kanilang last na pagkatalo sa elimination round. But now, they are ready to conquer the quarterfinals and have the ticket to the semi-final round. Kaya naman napakaganda po na magiging laban natin ngayong hapon na to. But on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers, ano kaya yung magiging preparation nila ngayon to make sure that they get this win this afternoon? And of course, kasama natin dyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Amanda at kasama pa ang head coach ng Annunciation Panthers. Hi Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Maraming salamat din in Jasper. This is the knockout quarterfinals. Second game this afternoon for Bucal Season 6. Live here at Ateneo Naga University Gymnasium. The battle between ACL Seahawks and Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Panthers. So I am Amanda Lazaro bringing you the hottest courtside actions only here at 1 Media TV 48 Naga in Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is the nerve-wracking battle between Acbsui Panthers and ACL Seahawks. Kaya naman para malaman natin kung anong latest updates from their team, sasamahan tayo ng head coach of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon, Coach Evan De La Cruz. Good afternoon, Coach. Alright, so we all know na nagkaroon kayo ng trainings this past 3 weeks. So ang tanong ko po, ano ang pinag-focusan ng Panthers for quarterfinals knockout match?
Well, ma'am, isa lang naman yung focus namin na every game or every adjustment namin sa coming games, yun lang talaga, more on review and then plays, paano yung mga dapat pang iwasan ng mga mali sa last mga games namin, and then yun lang, more on positive vibes lang talaga, sana energy na sana manalo kami ngayon.
Okay, Coach. So upon your reviews and assessments, ano po ba ang pwede nating abangan from the Panthers this match?
Usually ma'am, itong laro na to ay one-way ticket na lang to para sa semis, so buhos na lahat, wala na tong atrasan to, wala na tong dadalawang isip pa, kundi bigay na lang talaga namin na lahat ngayong game na to.
Okay, Coach. So ngayon po may gusto ka pong batiin sa ating live stream viewers sa Sorsogon community.
Okay, binabati ko lang po, shoutout po sa Panthers community dyan, sa mga taga Sorsogon po, sa sumusuporta na sa amin every game po, at lalo na po sa pamilya ko sa Masbate po, De La Cruz family and Tamay family, Chu family.
Maraming salamat, and that was Coach Evan De La Cruz, the head coach of Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. Kaya tutok lang dito sa may init na laban ngayong hapon only here at 1 Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Amanda reporting back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayun na nga, Tin, narinig natin, and parehas yung narinig natin dun sa dalawang coaches na ibibigay nila yung kanilang 100% na performance, 100% na play dito ngayon, because this is their one-way ticket for the semifinals. It's winner go home na nga, sabi ko kanina. And magandang bakbakan to for sure, because kung ibibigay nitong dalawang teams na ito yung kanilang 100% pagdating sa kanilang performance, for sure walang maiiwan dito. Kumbaga, this is a very close fight, we expect. So, yun yung dapat nating abangan kung sino yung mag-uuwi ng ticket for the semifinals.
Ayan nga, sigurado naman talaga, Jasper, na talagang bigay todo na itong ating mga players ng ating ACLC as well as the Annunciation Panthers. Katulad ng mga napanood natin during the last plays of our quarterfinal round, grabe yung bakbakan ng mga teams, and we expect that today, the last day of quarterfinals, talagang bibuhusan na ng ating mga teams yung kanilang lakas dito to get to the semi-final round. And of course, abangan niyo po bukas, Monday, simula agad ng bakbakan for our semi-finals. Grabe, bakbakan after bakbakan, kaya talaga yung mga supporters po ng kada schools, they are ready to conquer this Bucal Season 6. And as now, we are approaching the start of our first quarter. Now, let's see kung kanino nga ba mapupunta ang unang ball possession. Now, it will be on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Almost a first ball possession for the ACLC Hawks, but that is out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. Na Dumasian will be inbounding that ball. Grabe. Mukhang ngayon lang natin na nakita yung mga spaces sa bleachers ng ating ACLC Hawks. Pero for sure din, nakatutok sila sa ating Facebook Live via Oragon Sports TV. And in and out ball for that first three-pointer by jersey number 10 of the Panthers. Now here comes Basagre. Unang lipad. Basagre of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. Nakita mo yung 10.
Now, doon sa last game ng ating ACLC Hawks, hindi masyadong naglaro itong si Basagre. Kung kaya medyo hindi naging maganda yung communication and of course yung laro ng ACLC Hawks during the fight against the ACC Green Serpents. Pero now, present na present po si Basagre as well as the rest of the team of the ACLC Hawks. Kaya naman nagsisimula pa lang ang ating first quarter. Napakaganda na po agad yung ipinapakita dito ng ating mga players. Pinapangunahan po dyan ni Basagre. And of course, we have jersey number 5, Bautista. 4 straight points. Gawin mo ng 5 para sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks.
That was a 3 points play opportunity atin sa atin ni Bautista. And now a 5-0 run of the ACLC Hawks. Now let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito. But a rejection coming from jersey number 14, Guarin of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. Naalala ko din yung bakbakan kanina ng ating USI and the CSPC. First quarter pa lang 10. May review na agad tayo dahil ganun kainit yung bakbakan at ganun rin yung nakikita natin dito sa ating ACLC kontra dito sa Annunciation Panthers. And that was a traveling violation natin sa atin yan ng Naga Travel and Tours. Now Basagre once again for the ACLC Hawks. Now to jersey number 5. Bautista now on the corner. Nahihirapan ditong umupen sa ACLC Hawks with 8 seconds on the 24.
Team Captain Guarin was there. Big man Guarin. Yung talagang isa din sa mga key players itong ating ACLC Hawks.
And that was a early timeout. An early timeout for the Annunciation Panthers. Let's take a look once again. A rejection, but Guarin is there for that offensive rebound and putting up 2 points for the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. 7-0 run 10 yung nakikita natin dito sa ating first quarter. A typical run ng ating quarterfinals dahil yung nagdaang games natin talagang ganun din eh. Almost a double-digit run for the teams. Pero this time, ACLC makakakuha ngayon ng 7-0 run kontra dito sa ating Panthers with 8 minutes and 47 seconds.
At yun nga, aabangan pa natin ito dahil syempre hindi papatalo itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Pero medyo mainit lang yung pagsimula dito sa ating ACLC Hawks kung kaya nasa kanila yung 7 puntos na kalamangan dito as we are about to approach the halfway of our first quarter. Now, Detura, 18 seconds to shoot. Passes to Maru. Heavily guarded here. Pero naipasa doon sa ACLC Hawks now. Basagre again goes inside. Talaga namang si Basagre. Ipasok mo sa loob. Talagang gagawa ng paraan dyan para makakuha ng puntos.
Full court man-to-man trapping still implied by the ACLC Hawks. But here comes jersey number 28. Makakakuha dyan ng 3 points play opportunity on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. That was their first score in this ball game, and it's an opportunity to put up 3 points sa kanilang first score. At dyan na nga natigil din yung bleeding nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. Let's take a look once again with that layup using that glass. Basagre finishing that shot, and here comes jersey number 28 naman, Peter Maru. No good on his 3 points play opportunity, and still here once again Peter Maru for the Annunciation Panthers. Back-to-back steals, out of bounds as the ACLC Hawks will take that ball possession.
Now ACLC Hawks needs to take the advantage of the Annunciation Panthers ngayon dahil medyo nahihirapan to dahil sa depensa ng ipinapakita ngayon ng ating ACLC. Now Basagre again with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot here. Now they are taking their time. Ontolan passes to Guarin. Back to Basagre. Now tries for a three-pointer. Pero a foul was whistled here.
Ayan nga din. 3 points play opportunity here for Bautista. 3 free throws. Maagang 3 free throws here for the ECLC Hawks. And now a chance extending their lead to 10 points. And it's the last attempt of jersey number 5, John Migo Bautista.
Now for the third time para dito kay Bautista. That's good. Now 12-2 on our scoreboard. 10-point lead, double-digit Naga dito pa lang sa ating first quarter. Now let's see here as Annunciation Panthers on the offense. Yes, with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot. Goes inside. No good. Offensive rebound. One more time. Wala pa rin. Guarin secure that rebound.
Now here comes Bautista once again, putting up 2 points for the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. Let's go, ACLC Hawks.
Now Diaz, heavily guarded here. Loses it. A steal from the side of the ACLC, pero nabitawan dyan.
Grabe, out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. Still a big gap kontra dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. The first 3 minutes of this first quarter has been gone, pero this time.
Now Didura, 9 seconds on a shot clock here. Goes inside, tries, no good. Ontolan without rebound. Now Basagre, ACLC on the offense. Again, dire-diretso Basagre, di alintana yung mga guardia sa loob. Small but incredible talaga itong si Basagre. Isa talaga sa mapagkakatiwalaan na player dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks.
Grabe. The spirit of the Hawks is really in their spirit. Grabe din, lumilipad yung mga players natin on the side of the ACLC Hawks. So far, so good on this first quarter. And I think it's time for the Annunciation Panthers para gumawa dito ng bagong bawi. And speaking of, that was a good 3-pointer coming from Adrian Diaz of the Annunciation Panthers. Kakasabi lang din pagbawi. Ayun, 3 points yung natungay natin doon.
Tignan natin kung babawi ba dito. Ito ang ating ACLC Hawks. Basagre, pass to Bautista. Pero
And a
steal dito kay Maru. Ditura. Di diretso, wala pa rin. And the ball will go. Ayan. Now ACLC on the offense. Isa talagang kawalan kapag wala si Basagre sa loob ng court dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Kaya medyo na problema sila doon sa last na laro ng ating ACLC Hawks. But now, with the presence of Basagre, napakalaki ng difference nito. Kaya naman, the Annunciation Panthers medyo nahihirapan dito. Now Diaz goes inside again. Now that's a 5 straight points coming from the team captain Diaz.
Now ACLC on the offense, Basagre. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito. Guarin back to Basagre. Now Basagre on the outside, on the corner. A good ball rotation with 5 on the 24 and a loose ball. Turnover here on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
At yun nga Jasper, shoutout muna tayo dahil ang daming nag-aantabay ng laro ngayon ng ACLC Hawks and Annunciation Panthers. Shoutout lang dito kay Rafa Donor Lovelino, Julius Rapsing, Adeline Jane Santo Domingo, at kay Hazel Tretasco Tagumata. And of course, special shoutout po kay James Angelo Gabarda at Medith Basilonia. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay para sa matchup po ng ating ACLC Hawks and Annunciation Panthers.
Grabe, parang ngayon lang talaga natin tinakita yung spaces no, ng mga bleachers. I mean, yung bleachers natin on the side of the ACLC Hawks dahil kilala natin tong mga ACLC Hawks na magaling magbit bit ng crowd pagdating sa kanilang games. Pero this time, baka na-busy lang and nakatutok for sure sa ating Oragon Sports Facebook Live.
Yes, nakakapanibago na wala yung mga fans dito ng ACL Seahawks. But of course, alam naman natin na grabe din yung suporta nila as well as the Annunciation Panthers community. Now let's see here as the ACL Seahawks on the offense. Basagri loses it. The steal from the side of the Annunciation. Yes, nagmamadali dito. 20 seconds to shoot. Yes, passes to Maru. Now they're taking their time here. 16-7. Maru for a long three. No good on that one. Now offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Razon with that rebound.
Now jersey number 2 libreng-libre dito. Getting that 2-pointer. That was from Lagundi of the ACL Seahawks, and that was a foul coming from jersey number 10, Razon of the ACL Seahawks. And a quick turnover here on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 7-18 ang ating score din. And still an 11-point lead.
Now at this moment, the Annunciation Panthers need to do something about that gap against the ACL Seahawks. Now Damashan to inbound. Passes here to Destura.
Now, Gobis, well guarded here by jersey number 8 of the Hawks. Now on the corner, didiretso dyan, jersey number 81. No good, pero may pagbawi dito. Jersey number 17 of the Annunciation Panthers. Gobis of the Panthers. Now jersey number 20 naman for the ACL Seahawks, Sandigan. And that was out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. A good chance for them to score against the ACL Seahawks. Ayan, 9 points po ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating ACL Seahawks. Now,
Maru goes inside. Pinasimplihan lang tayo doon ni Maru. Now, I think this is the time for the Annunciation Panthers to double their effort now.
Patuloy na pagbawas sa kalamangan. Now this time, jersey number 8. Matatawagan nga dito ng foul. That was coming from jersey number 24, Diaz. And the same ball possession here for the ACL Seahawks. Ayan, 3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining 10 for our first quarter. And let's see kung ilang puntos pa rito ang idadagdag for 3. And that's good for jersey number 20, Gian Sandigan of the ACL Seahawks. Ayan, extending their lead to 10. And another chance. Another point coming from Lagundi of the ACL Seahawks. Grabe, ayan na, nabubuhay na ulit dito yung spirito nitong mga Hawks. Dahil nakikita natin lumilipad din naman sila dito sa ating second minute mark ng ating first quarter. Let's take a look once again din. Stops and pops for 3 and that was good. Grabe.
Yung ating first quarter talagang kitang-kita na natin na nasa side dito ng ating ACL Seahawks. Now, they need to be consistent all throughout this quarter if they really want to get the lead here. Now,
Razon to jersey number 8 on the inside. No good. But still coming from jersey number 18, Destura. Ayan at matatawagan nga dito ng foul. Itong si jersey number 2 ng ating ACL Seahawks. That was a 2 free throw opportunity for the Annunciation Panthers. Well, yung ating 2 minutes din, mahaba pa ito for the first quarter, or the remaining time for the first quarter is still long, and especially yung ating ACL Seahawks is now on the penalty situation. Therefore, kailangan nila ditong mag-ingat because any foul can result to a point conversion or an opportunity to convert a point for the Annunciation Panthers.
Now let's see here as the ACLC Hawks again with a ball possession. Double-digit lead coming from their team. Now Guarin passes to Lagundi. Lagundi, 13 seconds. Pero a whistled foul. An 11-point lead on the Hawks here. A minute and 56 seconds remaining. Now we're seeing a variety of plays doon sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. While on the other side, medyo nakukulangan pa tayo dito sa first quarter for the Annunciation Panthers. Now let's see. Razon, makukuha na ng bola. Nagmamadali dito. Textura. Too short for that one. Razon with that rebound.
A missed fast break opportunity for the Panthers, but here comes almost a steal coming from jersey number 17, pero here comes Lagundi putting that teardrop shot for the ACLC Hawks, and that was good.
Grabe yung mga players ng ating ACLC Hawks. Maliliit.
That was Sandigan rather.
Pero maliliksi. Kaya naman napakalaki ng kanilang advantage dito against the Annunciation Panthers. Now Esquilona will be on the free throw line here. Now every opportunity counts. Every ball possession na kailangan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers, kailangan nilang magawa ng paraan. Because as we are seeing right now, medyo napapalaki na po yung kalamangan na hawak ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now Esquilona for a second free throw. Hindi na ipasok yung kanyang unang opportunity sana. Now the ball will go on the side of the Hawks here. We are approaching the end of the first quarter. Now Ontolan to inbound. Pass to Basagre. Basagre ngayon nasa loob muli para dito sa ating Hawks. Now passes here to Sandigan. Back to Basagre. With 10 seconds to shoot here. Lagundi. Hahanapan dito ng butas.
Now Sandigan on the outside. Diretso for the ACLC Hawks, no good on that attempt by Basagre, but here comes jersey number 14, Lagundi on the outside. Now pull-up jumper, and that was good for jersey number 6 of the ACLC Hawks. Ontolan, almost a in and out ball, pero that was a good bounce. Now Gobis, and out of bounds as the ACLC Hawks will take that ball possession.
Ayan, ang daming opportunity sana dito sa side ng Annunciation Panthers, pero hindi nila nagagawa ng paraan doon. Pero it's a good thing for the side of the ACLC Hawks dahil kitang-kita yung depensa na ginagawa nila dito sa ating first quarter. Now let's see here, 15 seconds to shoot. Basagre. Now, passes to the other side. Lagundi goes inside, pero wala. Offensive rebound.
Ontolan will be getting that pull-up jumper on the short corner, and that was good for the ACLC Hawks. Now let's see here, Domasian with that save by Destura. Now Destura di diretso dito, and that was good also, Tin. What a finish shot using that glass. With 8 seconds on our first quarter, I had 5 seconds. Let's see, Basagre di diretso dito, almost getting that shot, and a rejection coming from jersey number 4, Esquilona of the Annunciation Panthers. And that's the end then of our first quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second quarter of action. Only here on Bucal Season 6 and only here on One Media, TV 48 Naga. And of course, on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Now kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Aparte and Christine Reyes for the second game of this Sunday triple header action. Now Pasagre for the ACLC Hawks on the outside. Gagawa dito ng diskarte. Now Lagod, they're fighting for 3. No good on that attempt. Was an early foul coming from jersey number 20 of the ACLC Hawks, Sandigan.
Ayan, Jasper, dito sa pagsimula ng ating second quarter, siguradong mas lalong bakbakan yung papanood natin kasi recap lang tayo dun sa nangyari sa ating first quarter. Grabe yung offense na ipinakita dito ng ating ACLC Hawks kung saan napakadami nung nagawa nilang opportunity dito sa kanilang side na pinangungunahan dyan, diba? Sagre, we also have Sandigan as well as Ontolan. But on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers medyo nahirapan doon sa defense na ipinakita ng ating ACLC Hawks. And of course, medyo nahirapan din sila on their offense. But now on our second quarter of the game, let's see what will be the adjustment on both sides. Most especially, of course, sa first quarter, may mga pagkukulang pa rin sila and they need to change something on their gameplay. Most especially dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers dahil napakalaki po nung kalamangan na nagawa ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. So now, Hawks on the offense, Sandigan, or Lagundi rather, a steal from the side of the Panthers here. Dumasya nagmamadali dito for a layup. And that's good. Lessening that gap of the ACLC Hawks. Now, let's see if this will continue on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And to hear an update, andyan po si Amanda. Hi Amanda, anong balita natin dyan?
Hi, Tin and Jasper. From the first quarter ay isa lang ang naging paalala ni Coach Evan sa Panthers. Yan ay ang tandaan nila ang kanilang game plan. The Panthers need to help one another inside the hardcourt to get the opportunities in getting a score. Focus and concentration should drill into their minds to get the momentum. The ACLC Hawks had a point advantage, 16-7 at halftime, but the Panthers kept on tracking their plans to have a progress in the match. Tin and Jasper, makikita natin kung paano nakikipagsabayan ang Panthers laban sa ACLC Hawks. Mas pinapakita nila ang kanilang determinasyon para manalo sa larong ito. In this do-or-die game, let's see how the vision of the Panthers turn into reality. That's the update only here at Bucal official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from inside of the Annunciation Panthers. Grabe, nakikita natin ngayon a three-pointer coming from the ACLC Hawks, pero may sagot agad dyan itong ating Annunciation Panthers courtesy of jersey number 24. That was Diaz of the Annunciation Panthers. Grabe, nakikita natin on that first sequence dito sa ating second quarter, back-to-back turnovers. But let's hear an update muna on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Zai, take it away.
Tin and Jasper, the ACLC Hawks are off to a good start as they play gracefully and stand firm sa loob ng hard court. Based on what Coach said earlier, they are planning to choose between 2-1-2 half court or full court defense since nakadepende pa rin ito sa galawan ng kalaban sa loob ng court. And can we just talk about how Buaren and Basagre are slaying sa loob ng court? Jasper and Tin. Kaya naman, it's getting more exciting as we approach the third quarter. Kaya Tin and Jasper, anong masasabi ninyo as we slowly approach to the finals?
Thank you so much, Zayu. Yan, special mention to Guarin as for the defense and Pasagre para sa kanilang offense dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Ayan nga, sana tuloy-tuloy yung ganitong laro ng ating ACLC Hawks as we approach the remaining quarter of the game. Now let's see on that last sequence. Grabe itong si Guarin, big man of the ACLC Hawks. Pero ito, balikan ko lang, Jasper, kasi nasabi kanina ni Coach doon sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers, nabigay todo na yung ibibigay nila dito sa laro nila against the ACLC Hawks. And at this time, kailangan na nilang gawin yun dahil nga 34-21 na. It's a big gap at medyo mahihirapan itong ating Annunciation Panthers if papayagan nila na if mas lumaki pa yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. But again, DS pinangungunahan itong ating Annunciation Panthers, but the other players of the Panthers kailangan din gumawa dito ng kanilang gameplay. Now, Hawks on the offense. Ontolan with the ball. Passes to Bien. Bien ngayon on the outside para kay Lagundi for 3. No good. Offensive rebound, Ontolan, mid-range jumper. No good. For the third time, wala pa rin. Now Bien gets it. And widening the gap against the Annunciation Panthers.
Grabe. Then it's their fourth attempt on that front court shot. Grabe yon. Doon nagtitake advantage itong ating ACLC Hawks doon sa kanilang multiple offensive rebounds, multiple chances, multiple opportunities na magpunto sa kanilang front court. Well, malakas itong offensive rebounding nitong ACLC Hawks compared dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers, and still extending their lead kontra dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers as we are on the 6th minute mark of the second quarter. Now let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin nila dito. Matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 2 Lagundi of the ACLC Hawks.
Now an opportunity for the Panthers here para mabawasan yung malaking kalabangan ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now Gopez passes to Maru. Maru now heavily guarded here. They're taking their time. 8 seconds to shoot here. Passes on the inside para dito kay Gomez. Now Diaz. Nahanap dito na mapapasahan. Pero a steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Bautista. Passes to the Lagundi. Pero lose it.
Almost a save. But a steal coming from jersey number 18. Back-to-back steal ang natutungayan natin ngayon. And that was the same ball possession, and the ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. That was according to our position arrow. Ayan, 18 on the 24 as we are about to approach the midway of our second quarter. Ayan, Hachazo is in for the Annunciation Panther, and he is now inbounding the ball now.
Maru, 16 seconds to shoot here. Papasok sa loob. Tries. No good. Razon loses that ball. Gopis was there. Maru again to try. Too short for that one. Pero wala pa rin. Hawks now with that opportunity. Warin again taking advantage of his height para makapuntos dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, let's take a look at it again. Napakaganda po ng communication and connection ng mga players ng ating Hawks dito. At ito yung kulang doon sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. But still, we have a lot of time here para naman magawa ng paraan ng ating Annunciation Panthers yung kalamangan ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, we only have 4 minutes and 47 seconds para dito sa ating first half. 38-23 in favor of the ACLC Hawks.
And ayun na nga atin. Let's see kung ano yung gagawing adjustments dito ng dalawang teams na ito as we are on the midway of our second quarter, and still a big lead of the ACLC Hawks. That was 15 big points. Ayan. And let's see kung ano yung gagawin ditong gameplay ng ating Annunciation Panthers to counter the offense as well as the defense of the ACLC Hawks. Dahil ayun nga, di ba, natunghayan natin or narinig natin kanina, according to Coach Paul Diswangco of the ACLC Hawks, the consistency nung kanilang depensa ayun yung talagang pinag-igihan nila. they remain consistent doon sa kanilang depensa from their past games up until ngayon dito sa ating knockout match this quarterfinals. Dala nila yung consistency ng kanilang depensa and nakikita naman natin yung team dito sa ating first half of action. Now, back to the ball game. Ball possession ngayon dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Gomez swings it to Destura. Now, didiretso dito Peter Maro. But no good on that attempt by Peter Maro. Now, let's see Lagundi. Nagmamadali for the ACLC Hawks. And Razon was there. But no good on his attempt. Now, Annunciation Panthers.
Now they need to take advantage of these opportunities for the Panthers. Gomez ngayon may hawak ng bola. 14 seconds to shoot. Passes on the outside para dito kay Destura. Destura, back to Gomez. Napakagandang ball rotation on the side of the Panthers. Kailangan lang nilang gawin to all throughout this game. Napakaganda na nung ating ipinapakita dito ng Panthers. Now Hawks on the offense. Razon.
Almost a loose ball for Razon. But here comes Lagundi. Now jersey number 6 of Tolan. No good on that attempt. Pull-up jumper by Razon, and that was good for their second chance points. Napakaganda din, extending their lead to 15 points once again.
Now Gomez will try one more time, pero andyan si Guarin to guard that ball. Now let's see here. Balak pa talagang palakihin itong ating ACLC Hawks, yung kanilang kalamangan dito. 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Now Razon passes to Lagundi. 8 seconds on the time. Tries for 3. Bautista! Grabe yung ating ACLC Hawks. From the outside shooting to defense. Napakaganda po ng performance nila ngayong hapon na ito. All out yung ibinibigay ng ating Hawks now. Natawagan dito ng foul. Yes, will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. And with that, kailangan yung kahit yung mga free throws dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers, maipasok, mabawasan lang yung pagdurugo ng puntos ng Annunciation Panthers dito. Now, first free throw was good para dito kay Diaz.
And a quick shoutout muna tayo dito, Ten, kay Maria Mendoza, Jocelyn Canale, Samantha David, Samuel Altares, Lilibeth Diaz, Rakdiz, Princess Tanay, Kenji Duca. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat na nakatutok sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live or our knockout match this Sunday. Now, here comes Basagre for the ACLC Hawks on the corner. Jersey number 5, Bautista, back to Basagre. Now, Basagre kayo di diretso, pull-up jumper. At makakakuha nga dito din ng free throw opportunity after that shooting foul by jersey number 16. A good chance, a good opportunity on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Tingnan natin, a chance here to extend their points. Ayan.
Now, no good on that free throw of Basagre. 2 minutes and 33 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating first half. And the Annunciation Panthers still struggling to lessen that gap of the ACLC Hawks. Basagre's second free throw was good. Now, it's the Panthers on the offense. Now, let's see here. Destura, hindi ka na mawala yung bola dito. Now, passes here to Gomez. Back to Destura. 13 seconds to shoot here. Goes inside.
That was not counted din because that is a traveling violation. Siyempre din, traveling is more fun with Naga yung travel and tours. Now, let's see naman kung anong gagawin dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, Basagre on the outside, well guarded here by jersey number 16. Now, on Tolan fighting for 2 points, and that was good on that mid-range jumper. Now, full court man-to-man defense. Nahihirapang tumawid dito itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, Domasian faking and getting that shooting foul. A good opportunity then on the side of the Annunciation Panthers since they are trailing here by 19 points. And that was good for that first free throw attempt by Domasian. And a chance here to cut down to 17 points.
Now Domasian. That's good. Now ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. A minute and 40 seconds remaining. Now, Basagre. 15 seconds to shoot. On the other side, para dito kay Bautista. Bien ngayon. Pinagkakaisahan dito at naipasok pa yan. Bien being consistent from the start dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Now, Dumasiya, pass to Diaz. Diaz for a long three. Ito yung kailangan ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And yes, talagang binibigay yung lahat dito para sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, 1 minute mark for our first half. Razon, no good on that attempt. Destura. Passes to Manlapas. Back to Destura here. 49 seconds remaining. Now they're taking their time. Hanapan dito lang mapapasahan. Destura to Gobes. Pero still from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Pero yung ball possession na yan.
That was a blocking foul coming from jersey number 16. Now ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Here comes Buhay. And that was a turnover on the side of the Annunciation Panthers with 29 seconds on our first half. Ayan. Still, medyo nabawasan naman na dito din yung lamang nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, titira dito for a long three but no good on that attempt. And defensive rebound here by jersey number 29 of the ACLC Hawks. Now, jersey number 1, Buhay for 3 and that was not good. Now, 10 seconds. Here comes jersey number 1. A follow-up shot coming from jersey number 16 of the Annunciation Panthers, Manlapas. And saktong-sakto yung pagtatapos ng ating first half. Ayan. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second half of action only here on Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Back for the second half of the quarterfinal matchup of the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation Panthers. At sa pagtapos po ng ating first half, grabe yung diferensyang ginawa dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. It's as we can see right now on our scoreboard, 48-34. Now, dito sa ating second half, ano kaya yung adjustment dito ng Annunciation Panthers? And on the other side, the ACLC Hawks, paano ba sila maging consistent all throughout this matchup? And as we can see right now on our halftime analysis, mas marami pong nagawa na turnover itong ating ACLC Hawks. Pero talagang nagawa nila ng paraan yan kung kaya nasa kanila ngayon yung napakalaking kalamangan. And now, as we can see right now, it will be the Annunciation Panthers basketball. Dumasian, Dumaru. 4 seconds to shoot here. Maru passes to the Stura. At wala na nga dyan nakakuha. Now it's a heated start of our third quarter. Now, the ACLC Hawks needs to be consistent right now dahil isa sa mga crucial moment ng isang basketball game is the third quarter. Now let's see here. Aspas Sagre with the ball. Passes to team captain Guarin. 9 seconds to shoot here. Ontolan with the ball. Fadeaway shot, no good. And Copes secured that rebound. Now Destura. Passes here to Masian. 18 seconds to shoot. To the other corner. Yes, papasok. And that will be the first basket para dito sa ating third quarter. Now let's see. Ito muna tayo sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Kung ano nga bang ginawa nilang adjustment para sa kanilang laro for the second half. Let's hear it from Zai.
Hello, Tin and Jasper, and here we are at the third quarter. And it seems like the Hawks are feeling great. They just have to be consistent with their defense and offense. But this time they're going to spice things up a little bit, transforming from 2-1-2 to 2-2-1 full court or half court defense. It seems like they still have a lot going during this third quarter. By the way, Coach this reminded his players earlier to avoid doing a gun rebound and also avoid doing some backdoors, and they have to switch immediately, especially when playing inside the court. And lastly, Coach This told his players to don't let them bully you, and makikita nga natin sa loob ng court na yan naman talaga ang ginagawa nila. Kaya Jasper and Tin, balik muna sa inyo. Ano ba masasabi niyo sa mga kaganapan sa loob ng court?
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Well, nakikita naman natin na the coach's advice for the ACLC Hawks is being effective, and nakikita natin yung kanilang consistency to keep their dominant round on and to keep their momentum on. Very eager to secure a ticket going to our or advancing to our semifinals. And on this other side naman, we have the Annunciation Panthers. Let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Amanda on the side of the Panthers. Now, Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Tin and Jasper, at mainit na laban nga ang natutungayan natin dito sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Kitang-kita natin, Tin and Jasper, ang defensive game ng Panthers laban sa ACLC Hawks. Sa bawat kuwangan ng bola ay minamaigi ng Panthers na mga puntos para makuha ang kalamangan. Kailangan nilang mag-backs out, mag-usap-usap at huwag hayaan ang fast break ng kalaban. Magpagod, doblehin ang laro at huwag pabayaan ng bola at maging alerto sa opensa ng ACLC Hawks. The Panthers are still adjusting inside, and despite the lead of the ACLC Hawks, they will continue to drive the ball on the remaining quarters. This is not the end, so stay tuned here for more updates. That's it for now, Tin and Jasper. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Amanda, for that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And as we can see, while Amanda is reporting, parang nagkaroon dito ng cramps or maybe an slight injury on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, pero rest assured po, our medical staff will be checking on that player kung para i-assess and bigyan kung ano yung mga kailangang first aid or any medicines na kung kailangan nilang gamatin yung ating player. And rest assured, nandiyan naman yung ating medical staffs for that situation. And nakikita natin na patuloy pa rin yung bakbakan nitong dalawang teams na ito dito sa ating 7-minute mark ng ating third quarter.
Yan na, Jasper, napakaganda nung sinabi dito ni Amanda dahil every ball possession, napakaganda dahil kailangan lang nilang pumuntos at pumuntos. Mas pag-igihan yung defense ang ibinibigay nila dito against the ACLC Hawks. And as we can see right now, 12 points na lamang po ang hawak ng ACLC Hawks na kalamangan. But on that last sequence, nabitawan pa dito ni Gomez yung sanang oportunidad para sa Annunciation Panthers para mas mapababa pa yung kanilang hinahabol na kalamangan. While on the other side, the ACLC Hawks, buhay na buhay hanggang ngayon na talagang bigay todo sa kada ball possession na meron sila.
And ayun na nga din yung sabi ko kanina, the ACC Green Serpents is waiting kung sino man yung mananalo dito sa bakbakan na ito para makalaban nila on our semifinals. Ayan, net napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers dahil medyo mababa na yung puntos na hinahabol nila dito compared kanina. It's going to be nearly 30s yung puntos na hinahabol, pero this time 12 points na lamang 10 yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. We'll see kung ano yung game plan na gagawin nila dito to have a change of momentum dito sa ating third quarter. Well, na-mention nga kanina ni Amanda, the courtside reporter of the Annunciation Panthers, they just have to keep their backs out defense and work as a team. Yun lang naman yung kailangan ng teams natin dito sa Bucal. They have to work as a team, and of course, para naman makapag-isip sila ng magandang gameplay and also to execute it very well. Ayan. So we'll see kung ano yung gagawin nitong dalawang teams na ito after this timeout. Alright, so 12 points with 6 minutes and 28 seconds on the game clock. And a quick thanks to our sponsors. We have the Bucal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP, Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo and Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated, Poker Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, back to the ballgame tayo dito. Now, after this timeout, ano kaya yung pagbabago sa mga gameplay ngayon ng ating ACLC and Annunciation Panthers? Now, Watolan with the ball. 6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Passes to Razon. To the other corner, Bautista to Basagre. Basagre on the inside. Napakagandang ball rotation on the side of the Hawks. Talagang lahat ng players dito nakakahawak ng bola at merong opportunity na talagang ipakita yung kanilang galing dito. Well, on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers, no good on that last sequence. Now, this is still the ball possession. Hachazo passes to Gomez. Back to Hachazo, tries for a three-pointer, no good.
Now, ACLC also on the offense on Tolan, but still coming from jersey number 17. That was a wrong pass. Now, jersey number 18, Destura, back to 17. Now, on the outside, Hachazo firing again for 3, but that's not good for the Annunciation Panther. Here comes their second pointer, but no good pa rin. And this time, may kasabay na sila ditong foul. And that was from jersey number 6 on Tolan of the ACLC Hawks. Makakakuha sila dito 10 ng 2 free throw opportunities. And a quick shoutout muna tayo dito 10 sa ating Facebook Live viewers. We have here Kenji Duca, Nachi Balaoro, Belen Lota, and Jadrick Hamuragan. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And of course, yung mga nandito ngayon sa ating Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para suportahan yung kanilang teams. We have the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation Panthers.
Now let's see here as the ACLC still have a 12-point lead here. Di pa rin nagbabago yung momentum sa kanilang side. Now, a steal from the side of the Panthers here. Nagmamadali dito. Pero Bien was there to steal that ball. Now pass to Tolan. Losing the ball. Pero Bien secure that one. Now, on Tolan. And that's good. Naipasok yung kanyang long two on that last sequence. Now Hachazo. Another turnover para dito sa ating Panthers. And again, bumabalik muli doon sa malaking kalamangan itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now this is the time for the Annunciation Panthers to do something. Because we're halfway through the third quarter at papasok na rin po tayo sa ating last quarter, deciding quarter of this quarter-final matchup.
Alright, so 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining before our third quarter ends. And now Basagre will be inbounding Bautista rather for the ACLC Hawks. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito para dagdagan yung kanilang kalamangan. Now on Tolan on the outside. 1-on-1 with jersey number 17. Pull-up jumper, and that was good. Grabe, nakakagulat Quintin. Stops and pops for that pull-up jumper. And that was good on the side of the ACLC Hawks now. Annunciation Panthers naman. 28. Almost getting that three-pointer. And it's the ACLC Hawks. Basagre pushes to the inside. Almost getting that two-pointer. But this time, jersey number 18. Bibigay kay Gomez at makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws opportunity after that foul committed by jersey number 8 of the ACLC Hawks.
Bien of the ACLC yung natawagan dito ng foul. So Gomez will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. No good on that first one. At ngayon, Jasper, mapapansin mo, lumalaki muli yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating Hawks dito sa ating third quarter. 4 minutes and 12. Now, Gobis. Second free throw. Still no good here. And ACLC on the offense. Nagmamadali dito. Bautista.
Almost a deflection coming from jersey number 81 of the Annunciation Panthers, but that was out of bounds as the ACLC Hawks will get that same ball possession. Malakas talaga yung rebound dito ng ating ACLC Hawks, and also according to our halftime analysis, yung kanilang defensive rebound here is amounting to 14 rebounds compared doon sa defensive rebounds nitong ating Annunciation Panthers, and also to the offensive rebound. Mas mataas dito yung rebound ng ating Annunciation Panthers compared doon sa ating ACLC Hawks with 9-7, a 2 points differential pagdating sa kanilang offensive rebound. And almost a save, but that was out of bounds as the ACLC Hawks will take that ball possession.
Now an 18-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. They have the chance here.
That was a backcourt violation for the ACLC Hawks. Ayan.
Now chance here for the Annunciation Panthers. Manabas back on the court here. 60-42. Now Dumasian. To Gobis. 10 seconds to shoot here for the Panthers. Maru. Tumalapaz. Nahihirapan dito sa depensa ng Hawks. Now on the outside, yes, long two, no good. Pero a whistled foul.
No good on that 15-footer shot after that blind pass of the Annunciation Panthers, pero makakakuha sila dito ng 2 free throws opportunity. Ayun, at pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold, Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga, University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Traveling Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF, and their Firing Wins. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Gravinus Communications Incorporated. We also have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza. And of course, we also have Department of Agriculture Bucal, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
Now ACLC Hawks basketball, Guarin again, heavily guarded here. But a whistled foul. Free throw opportunity dito. Natatawagan dyan ng foul si Gomez on the side of the Panthers.
And of course, we have the Bucal sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havayanas, Mo & Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated, and to Pocari Sweat and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po. And now for that free throws opportunity on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Ayan, patuloy pong malaki yung kanilang gap dito kontra sa ating Annunciation Panthers, but this time another whistle, and our Annunciation Panthers, both teams are now in a warning for penalty situations after having that 4 team fouls. Ayan, pero let's see dito kung anong gagawing bawi ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
Now Dumasian to Maru, back to Dumasian, but a traveling violation committed, another lost opportunity sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Nakakailang turnovers na dito sa side ng ating Panthers. Now let's see here as the ACLC Hawks on the offense. Chance to widen that gap. Now Lagundi, heavily guarded here, pass to Bien, now to the outside, dito kay Sandigan for 3, no good.
Almost a glass finish on the 3-pointer by Sandigan, but here comes Sandigan once again after that steal, pushing to the inside, but no good on that attempt. And now double team. Annunciation Panthers. And that easy shot coming from the ACLC Hawks after that steal. Grabe yon. Hindi na nila talagang pinatawid yung ating Annunciation Panthers. And now still a full court man-to-man defense. And that was an 8 seconds violation. Grabing depensa din yung nakikita natin on the side of the ACLC Hawks, extending their lead to 19 points.
Now, our second runner-up last because Season 5 Annunciation Panthers struggling here on their offense as well as the defense because of the gameplay of the ACLC Hawks na patuloy-tuloy po sa pagpuntos dito. And on that last sequence, Lagundi having that point, 65-54. Now Diaz goes inside and a steal coming from Guarin. Pero that will be a traveling violation. So the ball will go on the side of the Panthers here.
Siyempre tayo, traveling is more fun with Naga yun. Travel and tours.
Grabe, Jasper, napakagaling talaga ng ating mga players dito. Now let's see here. And 21-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC. Now Gomez with the ball. An opportunity. Goes inside for a layup. No good.
Missed opportunity on the side of the Annunciation Panthers after the deflection. But here comes Lagundi getting that right-hand layup on that short corner. Grabe.
Now, Maru. Passes to Manlapas.
Manlapas with that fake and now going to the inside. But still, no good for the Annunciation Panthers. Here comes Lagundi. Di diretso. Now on the outside, jersey number 7. Now, jersey number 8, diretso din dito. And libreng-libre. Grabe yun. Naiwasan niya lahat ng bantay on the inside and getting that layup. Patuloy na paglobo po ng kanyang kalamangan dito sa ating third quarter with 35 seconds remaining. And that was out of bounds as the ACLC Hawks will take that ball possession.
Grabe, sunod-sunod po yung pagpuntos dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Di alintahan na yung mga players dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And with the remaining 29 seconds, let's see kung ano pa nga ba yung magagawa dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers to lessen that gap. Pero after that sequence, it will be the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Now, 14 seconds to shoot here. Bien with the ball. Passes to Sandigan. Now Sandigan, 8 seconds to shoot here. Pasa dito kay jersey number 7. Goes inside. Nagkakagawa ng bola dito. Pero naubusan na ng oras dyan. 24-second shot clock violation on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And the Panthers only have 8 seconds here para makagawa ng puntos dito. Maru down to 4. Passes here to Manlapas. No good. Offensive rebound pero wala pa rin po. And with that, the third quarter ends with the bang para sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Nagtapos po yan sa 69-44. Magbabalik po kami for the fourth and last quarter of the game.
We are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the fourth and final quarter of action. Ayan, sino kaya ang makakakuha dito ng ticket for our semifinals? And that was an early two-pointer coming from the Annunciation Panthers. 69-46 ang ating running score. Now, Sandigan, di diretso dito. Now, Tulagunde fighting for long three. And the defensive rebound here on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, jersey number 28 on the short corner. Now, di diretso dito, Peter Maro. Now, gonna that 15-footer jump. And once again, is Kilona. But here comes jersey number 10, Hadjazo. Misses that layup underneath the basket.
Now, dito sa ating fourth quarter, last chance para sa ating ACLC Hawks and Annunciation Panthers para magbigay galing dito sa loob ng court. As we can see right now, still a big gap coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. So now let's see what will be the adjustment. Last leg of the match. Ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers ngayon na papalapit na po magtapos ang matchup na to against the Hawks. Now, Maru for a three-pointer, no good. Now, para mapakinggan ang ating update from the side of the Panthers, andyan si Amanda. Hi Amanda, anong balita natin dyan?
Maraming salamat, Tin and Jasper. Nakikita nga ng coaches ang errors ng players sa loob ng hardcourt at sinabi ng coaches na turnover, dribble at communication ang dahilan ng errors ng players na dapat nilang ayusin sa loob. For this match ay kailangan na nilang ipakita kung anong meron sila from their training para makapasok sa semifinals. Man-to-man defense nga ang depensa na ibibigay ng Panthers sa kalaban at tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging progress nila sa defensive game plan ng mga coaches. Hindi sila dapat matakot na dumepensa at mas dapat gamitin ang lakas ng katawan para makapagbigay ng pressure sa kalaban. Bago nga matapos ang huddle ay sinabi ni Coach Evan na nasa players na ang desisyon kung gusto nilang manalo ngayong hapon. With all these advices and adjustments, I can feel that the Panthers will make a way to get through this quarter. They are purpose-driven, that is why they are playing inside the hardcourt. So now let's see how the Panthers will bring pride to the whole Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. That is for now, in station for more courtside actions only here at Bucal official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayun, at nakikita naman natin din na naibaba na muli ng ating Annunciation Panthers yung kalamangan dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Pero yung kanina, yung pinakamababa nilang naibabang lamang is 12 points. Ngayon naman din, 19 points yung kailangan na lang nilang habulin dito. And we'll hear an update from our courtside reporter, Zai, on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Zai, take it away.
Ako naman talaga, grabe nga ang mga kaganapan dito sa loob ng court, and I can say that the ACLC Hawks are definitely very mindful but not very demure sa kanilang mga galawan. As Coach mentioned earlier that they should go for the kill, keep the good momentum and keep their mindset. I am so excited kung ano bang pwedeng mangyari as we approach the finals. It looks like they're about to spread their wings and soar their way up to the championships. Kaya Rick and Tin, ano ba ang masasabi niyong moments para sa larong ito na very mindful and very demure? Kaya balik muna sa inyo, Jasper and Tin.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, itong ating ACLC Hawks patuloy-tuloy lang dito para magbigay ng magandang laban against the Annunciation Panthers. As we can see right now, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, mukhang talagang lalaban pa rin sila dito sa 7-minute mark of the last quarter of this matchup.
Alright then, so a quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Dave Lazaro and also to Carl Cam, Dave Lorilla, Jacel Antiga, Brent Suarez, and kay Mabel Esquilona nakatutok sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Now Basaglia on the free throw line here. No good on that one. And The ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now Bautista to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Guarin. Heavily guarded here. Double team. Passes to Ontolan. Tries. No good. Now it will be the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Now this is an opportunity for them. And they need to double their effort now. Gobis with the ball. Passes here to Diaz. Now Hachizo goes inside. Napakaganda para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. It was the Stura rather.
Now Basagre, bantay sarado dito. And a deflection, almost a steal. But here comes Razon to get that ball. Now Ontolan di diretso dito. But no good on that attempt by Ontolan. Now here comes a chance for that defensive rebound. Now here comes the Annunciation Panthers.
Nako.
And a miscue. Sayang yung opportunity na yun, Tin. Lalo na ngayon na ibaba na nila sa 17 points yung lamang ng ating ACLC Hawks.
Yan. Nakaka-excite yung mga natitirang minuto ng laro dahil parehong kupunan po ay sabik na sabik makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now let's see here. Guarin passes to Basagre. 10 seconds to shoot. Basagre heavily guarded here by Desdura. Hanap dito ng papasahan. Razon on the inside and a steal from the side of the Panthers. Now an opportunity again. They need to be careful with this one. And yes, was there for a back-to-back points for the Annunciation Panthers. Now let's take a look at it again. Ayan, yes. Against Guarin, the big man of the Hawks. Pero nakuha nila yung puntos na yan at bumaba pa yung kalamangan na kanilang hinahabol dito.
Hinantay na lang doon ni DST na dumating sa kanya yung bola. And then automatically naman ititira without hesitation. And that lowers the lead of the ACLC Hawks to 15 points. And that also forces them to call a timeout. Well, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustments as we are on the fourth and final quarter and we are about to approach the midway of this quarter. And syempre, the eagerness of both of these teams na makuha yung ticket for our semi-final rounds, which is nag-aantay na sa kanila yung ating ACC Green Serpents. And of course, alam naman natin din na itong ating Annunciation Panthers is the first runner-up for our Bucal season 5. They are the second runner-up. And let's see kung paano nila aalagaan dito yung kanilang, of course, yung kanilang reign for last season and kung ano pa yung kailangan nilang mapatunayan dito sa ating quarterfinals. And of course, ACLC Hawks, kilalang-kilala naman natin itong team na ito sa kanilang fast-paced na laro and also sa kanilang formidable defense. And this time, makakatapatan nila yung isa ring ayaw magpatalo. Pero medyo naiwanan lang kanina, but this time nakikita naman natin din yung eagerness na bumawi and the eagerness to have that change of momentum dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Now let's see Ontolan with that mid-range jumper, but that's no good on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now the Annunciation Panthers, long pass once again, Gobis. Almost a save, but still coming from the ACLC Hawks. Basagre dito ngayon, nagmamadali. Now, on the corner, fighting for 3, and that was good! On the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Grabe yun. Coming from jersey number 8. Let's take a look at it once again, 10. That was coming from Bautista, rather. Grabe. Stops and pops for 3. And that was good.
Yan, napakaganda nung thrust na yun. Pinutol agad yung napakagandang momentum na nasisimulan ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers kung kaya napatawag dyan ng timeout. We're halfway through the last quarter. 4 minutes and 55 seconds na lamang po ang meron tayo. At napakalaki pa rin yung hinahabol ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Ang daming opportunities yung meron sila pero hindi nila nagagawa ng paraan. And now after this timeout, they need to double their effort na dapat talagang makuha nila. Every ball possession is important para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers dahil kung mapapansin natin, ang daming turnovers yung nagawa dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. While on the other side, ginagawang advantage ito ng ating ACLC Hawks to convert a point. Now let's see here as this is the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Gobis passes to Hatchazo, back to Gobis. 15 seconds to shoot here. Now Destura taking their time here. Heavily guarded by Bien. Now passes to Diaz, now to the other corner. Tries for a three-pointer. No good.
That was an air ball in, and now this time ACLC Hawks on the offense. Jersey number 14, adding it to jersey number 3, Basagre. Now Basagre gagawa ngayon ng diskarte for the team. Basagre di diretso, but that was an offensive foul coming from jersey number 14. A blocking foul rather.
Now Domasian and Maru back on court here. Now they needed every ball possession here. Now let's see if the Annunciation Panthers can lessen this gap of the ACLC Hawks before the timer stops at i-announce yung ating panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now let's see here. Hatchazo releases a three. No good. Now, an offensive rebound by Hatchazo. Back at it again. Wala pa rin para dito sa Panthers for the third time. Pero they loses that ball. And they also lose an opportunity to convert a point.
Now ACLC on the offense, jersey number 5, Bautista. Now to Basagre on the outside, jersey number 14. Bautista once again with 3 minutes and 45, 8 on the 24. Di diretso dito, jersey number 8. But that was no good. And here comes Gomez to secure that defensive rebound. Now jersey number 81 to Peter Maru.
Now Maru, 15 seconds here. Panthers nagkahabol pa rin dito. Hatchazo again, but this time naipasok na yung tres ni Hatchazo dito. Lessening that gap of the Hawks.
Still anybody's ball game din this time. Since mahaba pa yung ating 3 minutes for this gap. Once again, fighting for 3, almost getting that triple. But here comes that offensive rebound by jersey number 24. And matatawagan dito si Dumasian ng traveling violation. Of course, hatid sa atin yan ng Naga Travel and Tours.
Ayan, 15 points yung hinahabol ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. 2 minutes and 59 seconds remaining. It will be hard for the Panthers if hindi nila paiitin yung kanilang defense dito as well as the offense. Now, ACLC Hawks loses that ball. An opportunity again for the Panthers. Now, nakikita na natin yung pagbabago dito. But let's see if this will be continuously on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now let's see. Maru with the ball. 20 seconds at a time. Now Maru taking their time here. Now goes inside, tries and pops para doon sa 2 points para dito kay Maru.
Now Basagre nagmamadali for the ACLC Hawks, pero that was an unsportsmanlike foul coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan.
Grabe, halimaw sa court. Itong si Basagre. Grabe, nagawan pa ng paraan doon. And now, for a 3-point play here, Basagre, an exceptional player from the side of the ACLC Hawks.
74-59 ang ating score 10. And that was still a 15-point lead coming from the ACLC Hawks. But let's see kung kaya pa bang bawiin yan ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Still coming from this firing 2-pointer. And that was good on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And that forces the ACLC Hawks to issue a timeout. Let's take a look once again din sa ating instant replay after that sideline inbound as still coming from this and dire-diretso na siya, walang alinlangan using his right hand. Dinukot pa nga sa kaliwa. And that was good. And syempre pasalamatan na muna natin din ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. We also have here the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, and also BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. Department of Agriculture Bicol. And special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC and Digital Graphics. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And now we're down to the last 2 minutes and 19 seconds of this fourth and final quarter. Maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin kung sino ang makakatapat ng ating ACC Green Serpents sa ating semifinals round dito sa ating Juniors Division Basketball. Now, ACLC Hawks on the offense once again.
Now, 13 points po yung hinahabol ngayon ng ating Association Panthers with the remaining time of 2 minutes and 4. There's still a big chance for them to get this win. Pero titignan natin kung hahayaan ba ng ating ACLC Hawks na makuha ng Panthers yung panalo ngayong hapon na to. And that's it. Last 2 minutes of this quarterfinal matchup. Sandigan roll over. And a steal from the side of the Panthers here. Now, kailangan nilang kalmahan dito. Tries for a 3, no good. Pero it will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks now. 1 minute and 41, 74-61.
Now, ACLC Hawks on the offense. Basagre once again. Inaabangan na siya dito ni Hachazo. But here comes Sandigan. Swings it to jersey number 14. Back to Basagre. And now on the corner, Lagundi fighting for 3. Almost finishing that shot using that good bounce and that glass. Pero matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 8. And both teams are now on the penalty situation.
Now, Annunciation Panthers, Gobis. Goes inside. No good. Bien with that rebound. 1 minute and 9 seconds here. Basagre loses that one. Still here, Destura. Passes to Maru. Now Maru, attempt for a 3. Passes on the inside and gets that basket.
And now 10, we're down to the last minute of this fourth and final quarter. Maya-maya lamang din ay makikilala na natin kung sino mag-uwi ng panalo. 74-63. Naibaba na nga dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers yung kalamangan dito ng ating ACLC Hawks to 11 points. But this time, Bautista hindi magpapapigil, still going on the offense for the ACLC Hawks. Now, Lagundi killing the time with 5 on the 24, and that was out of bounds as the ACLC Hawks will still get that ball possession. Grabe. Timeouts consumed na for the ACLC Hawks. And they are trying to call a timeout here, pero they have already consumed their timeout. Now this is very crucial for both of these teams. 37 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. And ayan, 11 points na lang yung hinahabol dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Let's see. That was a whistle once again. I think it's a double foul team. Let's hear it from our officials. Grabe.
Now, 37 seconds remaining. Nagkakainitan na itong ating mga players ng ACLC and Annunciation. 74-63.
Alright, so narinig natin yung officials ng yung decision ng ating officials. We have here double unsportsmanlike foul for jersey number 20 of the ACLC, that is Sandigan, and Gopis naman on the Annunciation Panthers. Matatawagan nga dyan ng unsportsmanlike foul, and he is now out of the playing court for the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, 20 seconds remaining, 10 for our fourth and final quarter. The ball will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks after the foul committed by jersey number 28, Peter Maru. And grabe, 11 points pa rin yung kailangan nilang habulin dito, and the time is very short for them to have a change of momentum dito sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Now, no good on that first free throw of Bautista. Now we only have 21 seconds with 11-point lead coming from the ACLC Hawks, making it 12 at tumawag na nga ng timeout para sa mga huling segundo po ng quarter-final matchup na to. Now, it will be hard for the Annunciation Panthers para habulin pa yung puntos nila dito because of the limited time of 21 seconds. Pero yan, Jasper, shoutout muna tayo dito sa lahat ng nanonood po sa atin ng live sa ating Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout kay Si Ching Bon, Princess Jessel Tanay, Ems Bagajong, Jane Arbo, at kay Jonaline Billones Abalia Layones. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
And we are back here sa ating fourth and final quarter, 21 seconds remaining. And it's look like it's very hard for the Annunciation Panthers to retrieve that 11 points lead, since ayun na nga, patuloy nang nauubos yung oras nila dito. And now, still fighting for that ball. Grabe, hindi na binigay dito ni jersey number 8. And the ball will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 3 seconds remaining. And that is a very good game, team. Napakagandang laban yung natunghayan natin on the second game of this triple header action ngayong Sunday. It was the ACLC Hawks securing that ticket for our semifinals, and the ACC Green Serpents is waiting for them na makatapat sila on our semifinals. Grabing bakbakan, napakagandang aksyon yung natunghayan natin. Well, nakita rin natin na hindi rin basta-bastang bumitaw yung ating Annunciation Panthers. They really fight for their team up until sa last minute ng ating ball game. Congratulations for both of these teams. And dyan lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya po ay makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. are back, ladies and gentlemen, and this time, kasama ko na ang ating ACLC Best Player of the Game. Hatid sa atin yan, syempre, ng ACLC Senior High School is absolutely free. So we have here the best player of the game, none other than jersey number 3, John Bernard Basagre with 13 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals. Hatid sa atin yan, of course, ng ACLC. Of course, so first of all po, congratulations for your win this afternoon against the second runner-up for our Bucal Season 5, which is the Annunciation Panthers. So ayun na nga, ano yung ginawa nyo or yung adjustments nyo doon sa game nyo ngayon dahil yung kaisa-isahan yung talo way back sa ating elimination round. So syempre, i-discuss mo naman sa amin yung inyong preparation for this game.
Yung pagkatalo po namin sa against ACC, yun po yung kinuha po naming lakas para magpatuloy sa practice and mag-double effort sa training namin and pa-condition po matulog ng maaga and mag-aral po.
Alright, so next naman is paparating na yung ating semifinals and the ACC Green Serpents is waiting for the ACLC Hawks dun sa ating semifinals. Ngayon, ano yung kailangan naming abangan on the side of the ACLC Hawks and lalong-lalo na makakatapat nyo yung ating defending champions and yung nakatalo sa inyo during the eliminations round?
Magdo-double effort po kami sa practice or triple effort po para matalo lang po sila and mabawian sila.
Alright, so now I'm giving you the floor to shout out and pasalamatan lahat ng supporters or the ACLC community.
Unang-una po gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord God kasi binigay niya sa amin yung panalon to and sa kay Boss Adrian Litam, sa ACLC community, sa band, sa mga nagsusupport, sa coaches po namin, Coach Diz, sa mga kanila Coach Bam, and sa family ko po, sa family ko nagsusupport, Nanay Lilia, Daddy Bernie, Uncle Joey, and sa lahat ng teammates ko po, yun naman po.
Alright, so once again, congratulations for your win this afternoon and dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik pa po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 3 from the ACLC Hawks, Basagre. Napakagandang performance po ang ipinakita nila ngayong hapon na ito. At nasa semi-finals na po sila. Pero mamaya, our last game for the quarterfinals, it will be the Naga College Foundation Tigers and the STI Olympians. Of course, makakasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Camsur.
And I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok from our first quarter up until dito sa fourth and final quarter. And of course, to our lovely ladies na nakasama natin sa courtside, we have Zai and Amanda. Maraming salamat po. Once again, tutok lamang for more top-tier basketball actions only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.